Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So as we know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is expected to coming this year, and most of the leaks that has been arriving since today has been pointing out that we are expected to see that device to be coming in March this year. But the Twitter leakster Ross Young and Max Funback has come up with a new date that is expected to be coming. They believe that Samsung will not launch the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in the March this year, but they are hoping that the device is expected to be coming in May or April this year, which is not far away from now, and probably we are not hearing any of the latest news about the design and spec sheet of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but there are some assumption and design has been surfaced online regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 3. One of them is going to be the Benji skin design that has he shared on his Twitter account, and if you know the Benji skin, he provides a good quality images or renders of the upcoming devices. According to that images, the first thing you will probably notice on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the camera bump. It's looking like similar to the Galaxy S21 Ultra that has recently been released, and probably adding that camera bump on the backside is the reason that Samsung mostly uses its design language which are available in the SN Note series throughout the year. So we can expect that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 might come with similar kind of design. Also, one of the notable feature which expected to be coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the S Pen support inside, and honestly I believe that the S Pen support will be a game changer for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Probably the reason behind that, the Galaxy Note devices are not going to be expected this year, so Samsung will pushes the S Pen support to most of the devices, and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the next device which is expected to be coming with the S Pen support. Also in the leaks there are some rumors about the display sizes that are going to be coming slimmer, just because the fact that Samsung is adding an S Pen support, and in order to hold the S Pen in the device, Samsung has going to be lowering the screen sizes both the inside and outside of their devices. It is expected that we might see a 7.55 inch of inner display which is down from 7.59 inches, and a 6.2 inch outside display which is down from 6.23 inches. This is not going to be a significant downgrade, but it is going to be expected. And the last feature which most people are expected to be coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the under display camera, and judging about the quality of the camera sensor that is coming in the ZTE Exynon, I don't think that Samsung will implement that technology in their premium level flagship foldable devices. First of all, they will implement that on their A series devices and see whether this is going to be a good option for them or not. Also, we know that Samsung is working on the under display technologies, and there are some patents that has already been available in the world intellectual property, and there are some different approaches which Samsung is going to use, but I honestly don't think that Samsung will bring that particular technology inside their premium level devices sooner. Maybe in the future in 2022 we might see that technology when it's going to be mature. We might see that in the foldable devices, but right now I don't think Samsung will take a chance. And finally, the prices of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is expected to be similar with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. We have seen the S21 Ultra devices. The S21 series is $200 cheaper than their predecessor, the S20. So we can expect that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be having a similar or maybe even $100 cheaper than the last year Galaxy Fold devices. Internally, I think that Samsung is going to be expected coming with similar Snapdragon or Exynos processor in their foldable devices. Nothing new here, because every time there is a new processor which is the latest and greatest Samsung has implemented in the foldable devices, so we can expect similar processor inside the device and maybe 12 or 16 gigs of RAM storage inside. In my opinion, one of the things which I expect from the foldable devices to improve is this screen. And these are some of the concept based images. Nothing has been confirmed or official from Samsung, and we can expect that there are some differences in the upcoming Z Fold 3. And let me know your thoughts. What are your expectations from the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in the comment section below, and if you want to keep yourself updated, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.